The Army weather forecast has the seal of approval from the American Meteorological Society.
Not a total washout this weekend, but there is some rain in your forecast.
Yeah, I think when you have a 50% on a Saturday in particular, people are going to say, is that rain going to affect any of my whatever put in the space outdoor plans? And I think that this time of the year there's a lot of outdoor plans. It is going to be warm and humid this weekend. What's interesting is a cold front's going to come through. So in that warm, humid air, we're probably likely to generate some storms. So that timeline then becomes really important for our weekend as we move towards that less humid air. Around our area right now, just a little ground clutter on radar. You can actually see the real rain is near Paducah. But again, you see the intensity coming down as it approaches our area. I'll explain a little bit more about why that's happening. Our temperature reached 82 after a low 57. So the low, exactly where we should be. The high was about 5 degrees warmer than normal. And as we look around the area, Louisville sits at 74 with a dew point of 64. There's no question about it. Notably more humid. True story, I actually turned the air conditioning on. We call that team holdout. I'm now team caved in. Actually, I like to look at the cup half full. I'm now officially team holdout on the heat going into fall. That's the right way to think about it. New Albany, but the whole reason what I was mentioning is because the nights are not going to be as cool. And you can't open the windows now at 73 degrees in New Albany and hope it cools down the house. That's the reason why I kind of caved and turned the air conditioning on. And on top of that, I don't want to turn it on when it's 90 degrees outside and find out I have problems. 73 in Seymour, 66 on the dew point. And in Bardstown right now, 68 with the dew point sitting at 67. All right, back to the story here. What's going on around our region? Why is the rain not making it into our area? Temperatures say nothing. I mean, they are so consistent around the region. It has to be low dew point. It's not. So what's going on? It's a fair question. What you look at in the jet stream is what we call ridging over our area. So ridging is the opposite of rain. Ridging would try to bring some sunshine and rain free. And you have this low that's moving towards us. So really, once you get the low, which signifies an area of disturbed weather, storminess, rain, once that can get closer to us, the rain should be able to hold. Next question. When does it get close enough? I think you look after around daybreak tomorrow. I would say mid-morning through about mid-afternoon. This is when we have lift. Lift rising air promotes rain. And so I think we'll see that rain probably through about 3. Chance is still there late, but it's not as high. Saturday morning, there's a signal for some showers and thunderstorms, and really especially as you go south of the western and bluegrass. And then with this front diving south, while I will be the first to say the data does not show a lot of rain, one would still believe that this is an opportunity to generate storms. I mean, you have a front moving into warm, humid air. The mid-level winds come up a little bit late in the day on Sunday, and you can see there is a small signal here for a cluster of thunderstorms moving across the area. I think it's at least worth watching. So how much rain falls in these 2 days? Data shows about half an inch to an inch. I want to be clear on this part. There are likely to be a wide range of rain totals in this particular scenario. And the reason is there will be some slow-moving clusters of thunderstorms moving through. And if you get caught underneath one, I think you know the story, you can catch a little bit more rain than others over a short period of time. So it's worth a 30% chance tonight as we drop to a low of 65 degrees. Tomorrow's rain chance is pretty good. It's not a slam dunk, but it's a 60%. Mid-morning through mid-afternoon is the most likely time frame. I like late and early for Saturday. So your midday plans, I think, are in good shape. I think we need to watch late Sunday for more thunderstorms. So Mother's Day plans in the midday should be pretty good. And Tuesday looks phenomenal. Tuesday's my day. Lows in the 50s, high temperatures, upper 70s, low humidity.
That was perfect. Mark, thank you. Well, it is not unusual for kids to get sick, but there's one particular illness keeping doctors busy.
Lindsay Allen here with that story coming up tonight at 11.
Yeah, guys, and it's a nasty one. Strep throat is surging across the country and also right here in Louisville.
As of mid-April, our pediatric practices had seen more cases of strep throat in 2023 than we had seen the whole year in 2022.
Yeah, surging big time. So tonight at 11, the symptoms parents should be on the lookout for. Plus,
JCPS board approved weapons detection systems in